Good morning from Cuiabá. Now that's a wonderful sunrise, isn't it? I just found out I forgot to put the camera battery, so this camera battery, in the charger last night. That's how tired I was. So I'm just gonna charge it now while I have breakfast. You already seen the breakfast because we stayed in this hotel before. And after that we are going to a national park in Mato Grosso. So I'll see you in a minute. And we're off again. Or actually, we're already here. Ooh, pretty waterfall. What's the name of the park we are now?
Chapada.
Chapada? Chapada?
Chapada dos Guimarães.
Yes, that one. So we're hiking right now and I'm at the front with Eric. The others are a little bit slower.
Bedbug Eric.
Bedbug Eric, yeah. We think we might have had bed bugs somewhere, but we don't know where. So look at Eric's leg. This is crazy. Look at this. I was like, Eric, what the F is on your leg? He was like, what? He thought there was a bug, but I already thought this rash was quite horrible. Yeah. So, well, we'll see.
I bite back.
You bite back? You eat bed bugs for breakfast?
Yeah.
Just like caimans and everything. He has a new nickname, by the way. Suicide Eric. So we're here, Waterfall Circuit.
No peeing in the water.
No peeing in the water. We can swim at the waterfalls. Okay, let's try to not break my leg. Wow. This is cool. Whee! Wow. It also reminds me a little bit of Don River Hills. Of Don River Falls in Jamaica. How do we get down? We shouldn't jump. We need to slide down, but how? Suicide Eric's gonna go first. And if he survives, then I can probably survive too. Yeah, what you gonna do now? It's quite high, seriously. It's like 2 or 3 meters. What are you gonna do, Eric? The German girls went around the place, so they are going to be down. The reason why I'm still standing here is because I want to jump too, but I'm too scared to go first. So Eric's gonna go first, I guess. And then maybe I'll follow. Eric just jumped. Yeah, so we're off to the next waterfall, right?
Yes, the next
There are 3
waterfall.
of them, so we're going to number 2 now. Oh, by the way, I did hit my butt on the rocks when I jumped off of the waterfall. So it was really not smart to do it, but it was really fun though. We're almost at this. Ow! Oh! At the second waterfall. So over there. Looks like a natural slide, right? Well, this is a cool jungle road towards the 3rd waterfall. Look, we can fall, but we won't. The 3rd waterfall. You can swim here. Adventurous path. This was so much fun. It's actually like right in the middle of nature, but the weather is not that humid. It's all right. Look, it's a wild pineapple. Like pineapples growing in the wild. next to the restaurant, the owner also has a bed and breakfast, and you have to see this because oh, it's so pretty. Wait, let me properly show you. Look at this. This is super cozy. And then this is where they serve breakfast. This is #Goldsman. Maybe if you want to go on a honeymoon or something, this is an idea because I think it's really, really romantic and cute. Oh my gosh, and I just heard the price. It's like 140 euros for 2 people. So it's 70 euro per person, including breakfast. This is the room. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. Like, this is the best value, one of the best value for money I have ever seen. The bathroom. Wow. I would really like to come back here with Stefan because just for maybe like a week or something and hike and swim in the waterfalls, and this is incredible. I love it here. What did I say about hiking? Look at this magnificent view. It's crazy. And you have like a hiking trail going down from here. Look at this. Can you imagine? Like, oh my gosh, this is my nature porn. Look at this. Hike all the way over there. I would love that. Look at this, so peaceful. Except for me being overly excited. I'm so sorry, but it's just magic. We have arrived at our new accommodation. So let's look around. Chandeliers, man, chandeliers. They get me every time. I'm a sucker for chandeliers. Brazil! La 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 la. This looks cool. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, hello. Ooh, this is the balcony. Oh, this is so peaceful, man. Look at the hammocks. Wow. Tony, our guy, he reminds me of Morgan Freeman, and especially the role he played in Yes Man. He played God. Look at this smile, look at this smile. And also he knows everything about animals. It's like, he was just telling about this armadillo. No, it's not an armadillo.
It's a porcupine.
It's a porcupine.
Yeah,
and
porcupine.
What does a porcupine do when he's scared?
When you threaten him, he throws the sprinklers on you. And he stalks you like a weapon.
You will shake it and it will end up in your face.
Yeah, and then you will back off and leave him alone.
That's right. Yes. Let me see the room. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And this is the bathroom. Let's take a look. What is this? What is this? What? Is this shower for like 20 people or something? Now you know, of course, we have to do this. The bed test. Oh yes. A fluffy bed again. Apparently we need to crash Isabel's room because she has the best room of all of them. So let's do that. Tell me, you have the best room.
My room is terrible.
No. Yeah, she doesn't want to show us because everybody was sleeping in her room.
This, you're going to just have the...
Oh no! Oh, okay.
You kill yourself laughing when you see this.
Wait, I just fell.
Would you be quiet? There's people sleeping in this room.
Oh my gosh. This is incredible. Look at that, for the queen herself.
Por gentileza.
For our beautiful Irish queen.
Just the maids.
Just yes, we're just a maid. Oh my freaking what? What?
We're just the maids coming in to clean the room.
Yes, I do feel like that.
If you haven't seen anything yet, come in and look at this.
What?
This
What?
is just mad.
What?
Come in,
Okay,
see
show
it.
me, show me, show me. Let's follow Isabel. What? What?
It's a sauna.
It's a sauna. Everybody will be joining you.
And I can play music. I don't know how I'm going to do
No
that.
way.
Unless I have
This
my
is
phone.
incredible. She has like the massage things and everything.
A sprig of
I'm
rose-
coming.
A sprig of rose.
Can I shower here tomorrow? I want to shower here.
I'll allow you to.
Look at this.
New friends.
Wow. What pearl necklaces around your faucet? What? What? This is incredible. You're the queen. You're the queen. But actually you deserve this room because you are the queen. Let's be honest. You are the queen. Oh, before I forget, this is the place where we're staying. Chateau Camelot. We're at the dinner place, so we're going to eat here. What is it? Posada Villa Guimaras. You can read, right? Let's go eat. Look at this cuteness. Welcome to Chapada dos Guimares.
Okay,
May
translation.
all who come as guests leave as friends.
translation.
Wow. This guy is a Brazilian slingshot champion.
World champion.
World champion.
That guy.
Holy schmeckers.
Okay, guys.
Wow.
Well, and this artist is making some paintings over here. This little girl is gonna play a welcome. The little girl is translating now. I have the feeling that we're in a movie. This is so cute. It's incredible. Look.
And the human heat that we have.
This was wonderful. It was so sweet how they received us. I really liked it. I'm just going to have a final drink with Julia and Nicole. Actually, I'm probably going to be drinking lemon juice and they're gonna have a beer.